Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can use Fiverr for affiliate marketing. And if you're wondering, Shelly, what is Fiverr? Fiverr is basically where it's a freelance site where you can hire people like to do anything. You can hire people for social proof. You can hire people, any kind of like VAs, which is a virtual assistants to help you with your business. You can hire people to write a blog. You can hire people to do all kinds of stuff. That's what Fiverr, and it's like one of the most popular websites for this kind of thing. However, I'm gonna show you a couple different ideas you've probably not thought of before, how you can use yourself to be an affiliate for Fiverr and make thousands of cash, like for real. But before we get into the video, if you're wondering, who is this crazy chick? I'm Shelly Hopkins, and I teach you how to make money online, mostly affiliate marketing. But if you look on my YouTube channel, I teach you all kinds of different ways that has to do with making money online. So you might want to check those videos out if you haven't checked those out already. Now, subscribe, like, let's get to the video. All right, this is Fiverr. This is the freelancing platform I was telling you about. And oh my goodness, I mean, we got logo designs, web design. You know, with affiliate marketing, if you have your own blog, it can do wonders. It's your own official website. And I'll show you a good person that's good for that. Social media, there's all kinds of things from social media design, Photoshop editing, anytime there's any kind of arts or stuff, I always use Fiverr. From the digital marketing, there's social media advertising, display advertising, video marketing. You have writing and translations. I've paid people to help me write my blogs before too. You have video animation, which has intros and outros. That's always good to outsource, and it's cheap. Music and audio, programming and tech. People don't think that you could come to Fiverr and have them help you with your tech, but you can. Look, support and IT. Even though if you need support in IT, I have a friend that helps too. Chat bots, I mean, for real. You can use, if you're like me, I use Fiverr for all kinds of things. But I'm going to show you how we can use Fiverr, this freelancing website, to help grow our affiliate marketing business while promoting Fiverr itself. Yeah, how cool is that? So I was talking about websites. So I'll show you that, but I want to talk about TikTok growth, because you can also use Fiverr to help you grow your social media for your affiliate marketing business. Now, what you want to look for, I mean, you always want to look at the price, but you want to look and see how many, like this is 2, 1, 3, and it's 5 stars. So these 2 people with 3 stars, might want to stay away from something like that. Let's see here, 2 for 5. Oh my. So let's just say this is, oh, do TikTok promotion, TikTok growth, TikTok. And you want to be careful because, I mean, I'm just using TikTok as an example, but you know, I mean, you can use, let's say we want to grow a Pinterest account or Instagram. You don't want any fake followers or any kind of fake stuff because it will completely run your account. Or grow your TikTok fans page to get 450 real and maximum audience. Let's see, it's a new powerful social media. Yeah, TikTok is like killing it right now. Okay, 100% satisfaction. I help you to expand your TikTok music and video to go viral worldwide. So basically they should know what's already trending and you don't have to. So this could come in handy. So we are going to, let's look at Pinterest. I don't do Pinterest, so I really would be a good person to use to grow Pinterest. I will professionally grow your TikTok account. I did say Pinterest, didn't I? I will be your Pinterest marketing manager, grow an account with followers. And see this in here, this is good. 36, this one has 32. I will optimize your Pinterest for growth. See, if I was gonna look at these two, I would compare these two because also that's 60 and this is 50. So I would click here. And usually they go up to premiums, like this is $120 standard. Pinterest marketing expert. I've been working in the field for 5 years. If you're looking for a Pinterest marketing manager to grow your business, then you are at the right place. Now, there's reasons why I wanted to show you this. But first, I also wanted to show you this person. Now, if you have a website or a blog, I've used this person before. I mean, it starts with basic and it can go up to 90 bucks. But for affiliate marketing, this is a good person to use because he will help you with your blog, tell you everything that's wrong. He's a website expert who understands what a website should accomplish. Honest feedback of your site for what works well and areas to improve, verifying all functionality works. And he does affiliate marketing, so he knows how to make your site go for affiliate marketing. But I wanted to point this out. We can have a quick chat or a Zoom call. A lot of people do not do that, and a lot of people, you need to make sure they understand your language. So need them. So I wanted to point this out too, because you could use this to grow your affiliate marketing business as well. Why am I mentioning this? Because you can also use that for Fiverr affiliates and become a Fiverr affiliate, okay? Just hang in there with me, okay? $15 to $150 for real. And basically it's CPA, depending on what service that your first time buyer purchased. So we could use this or the Pinterest design and make money through being an affiliate on Fiverr. Now, if you're not an affiliate, and by the way, I have a Fiverr link down below, of course, and it's an affiliate link. I appreciate it if you use it. And we're going to join now. So if you go to affiliates.fiverr.com, and I'm under the commission plan if you wanted to look at that, and you click on join now. Okay, you have your account type, which I would just do private. Your name, your email address. I don't use this, guys. Create your password. Use 6 or more characters, mix the letters and numbers, the country. And right now, they're accepting anybody in any countries. Your phone number, next. And unlike a lot of affiliates, they approve pretty fast. Now, I'm not going to fill this out because I'm already an affiliate. You also have an affiliate user guide that's in your back office. So in your back office, it shows you how much you make and everything, and it gives you creating your account, affiliate links and pixels. It actually gives you some advice and helps you with some of the stuff, which, you know, a lot of affiliate programs don't have this, creating your account. If you go in here, if you're not yet an affiliate, then you can register. If you have any questions, it'll help you out. Now, if you go over here to where it says marketing tools, go to default and deep links. And the CPA, remember, this is the one that's going to pay you the most. I mean, there's other ones, but you're going to want to use this one. Next, what we want to do, so whether we're going to use the Pinterest design or the website person, then we're going to take at the very top the before context and copy everything before that. And then if you go, see where it says LP URL, you're going to paste that, hit enter, then take this link right here, copy it, go to the website bit.ly.com. It's a free site that can shorten your links. Click on create, paste it, create, and you can call it, I don't know, my Fiverr link, and save it. Let's try my Fiverr link for you. Save. Booyah. Okay, so then you're gonna take, this is gonna be the link that you use. You just copy that. Now I'm gonna show you exactly what to do with that link, but I'm gonna show you 2 main ways how to use the link and get customers. The first place we're gonna go to is actually Quora, Quora.com. And this is a jewel that people, it's like a diamond in the rough, that just don't think about. So we used 2 examples, okay? Let's do how to grow your website, okay? So on here, all we have to do is literally look for the question, how to grow your website. Okay, that's the first one we found. So we have that link, how do you grow your website on blogging? Bingo! And you literally just answer the question and then put your Fiverr link out there. Or, you know, there's all kinds of different ways too. You could create videos and send them to a video with the link. You could even write a blog and send them to the link. But you can literally send them directly to that link and tell them, hey, you need to check this out. This person is really good on Fiverr and he can help grow your business. Now go back and do that for all of the questions that you found. Now, we were talking about how to grow on Pinterest. The exact same thing. How can I use Pinterest to promote my online store? How can I improve my Pinterest profile? I mean, you can go and you can do the same thing for all of these. Just go in and answer them. How do I grow on Pinterest quickly? Boom, and there's not even no one there, so everyone's gonna see what you have to say. And then you'll just paste. You'll be like, hey, you know, I found this person on Fiverr. This is a really cool way to grow. It really can help you. And, you know, leave the link there. So Quora, you can really do good, guys, on it. You just have to utilize it. Now, the actual next great idea is actually on Pinterest itself. Yeah, Pinterest. Hey, but before I continue, do me a favor. If you're getting anything out of this video, give me a like. Thanks. Okay, now I just did grow your business. For this first idea, I'm just gonna go straight into the gold, is it really doesn't matter. Any kind of business, because there's all kinds of stuff on Pinterest with businesses. So I literally let's just click the first one. If you click here, I clicked follow. So I'm following her. Now for one, you're gonna look at their followers because we're actually on Pinterest. And if they don't have a lot of followers, then send a message, guys, and say, hey, I have a great way to help you. You know, let me reach out and show you something that's gonna help you really grow your Pinterest account. And then you send them the direct link to Fiverr. Now, so if you wanna click this button right here at the top, you can email them right here. And some people you can direct message them. And to actually reach out to them, if you can't send them actual direct message, then you can just go right here and you can send them an actual email. Right here, email them here. But let's go to the site. Because remember, the other Fiverr one we found was, you know, if their site wasn't all that great. So, you know, you can check out someone's site. This site doesn't look like it's doing that bad. Now to double check that a website is doing good, if you go to gtmetrics.com, and I just pasted her site in here, and it's giving a D, performance 53. So you can kind of look here and be like, you know, and, you know, so you could then email them or message them and be like, hey, you know, I checked out your site. I know someone that could really help you, and then send them the information. Same thing for if someone wants to grow their Pinterest account. I mean, what a better way to find it? So grow your Pinterest account. I mean, they're on Pinterest, free Pinterest strategy guide, blah, 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 blah. And so you could check out some of these people here, and the exact same thing. Reach out to them and be like, you know, hey, you know, I see, you know, this is how this works. Or you can even take like a pen and send it to someone else. Like you could take this pen and send it to someone, and you can see if, I mean, we're on Pinterest, you can see if they're doing good or not, have followers or not. You can find someone in any niche, guys. You could search for advertising. You could search for pottery. If you search for pottery and you see someone's Pinterest isn't doing good, you can reach out to them and be like, hey, I have a great idea. Or you could even, I mean, you could use it. Oh my gosh, you can use Pinterest for so many ideas for this exact same thing. You could send them this. Be like, hey, I found this on Pinterest. And not only was this like article cool, I mean, you can go to the article, was it cool? But there's another way that you could hire someone to help you grow even faster. And these are businesses. So these are businesses that have money. Every business has some kind of fun set aside to grow their business. Did you like the video? If you got anything out of this video, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you liked this video, I have another video that has to do with making money online on Fiverr. So I'll go ahead and I'll add that video up next. And that way you can just keep the ball going. Just keep on going and watch that video. And I'll see you in there because I'm in that video. Get it? Wow.